Hello, heroes! Today, Dabdobo has a big surprise. There's a magical letter that will take us deep into the jungle, hearing strange sounds and meeting amazing animals. Listen carefully. Do you hear that sound? G, 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 g. Yes, it's the letter G. Get ready for the adventure. G brings games, words, and secrets. Let's start our journey today.
Hello, my friends! Look at our new letter with Dabdobo. This is the letter G. G is for giraffe. The giraffe is very tall and eats from the high trees. Say it with me. G, giraffe, tall and gentle.
G is for grapes. Let's eat yummy grapes. G, grapes, yum.
Look at this cute animal on the farm. G is for goat. A goat. The goat loves to eat grass and jumps around. Say it with me. G, goat, active and cute. Yay! Look at this nice surprise. G is for gift. A gift. A gift makes us so happy, and we give it to our friends. Say it with me. Gift brings joy to hearts. Hey, little heroes, look at this beautiful place. G is for garden. A garden. In the garden, we plant flowers and play in the greenery. Say it with me. G, garden, green and beautiful. Look what's on my face. G, it's for glasses. Glasses. Glasses help us see well and read books. Say it with me. G, glasses, we see clearly. Hey heroes, our adventure with the letter G was so much fun. We played, laughed, and discovered new words with Dabdobo. Do you remember the animals we met and the big jungle? But don't forget, there are still many letters waiting, and each one has a new adventure. Subscribe to the channel to keep going with Dabdobo's journey. See you in the next episode with a new letter and exciting stories. Bye, heroes!